Hi, and welcome to the Gibraltar Heritage Trust Mediterranean little patio garden that I am currently volunteering at to help take care of. Today, I just accomplished some light cleaning, some sweeping. I cut out a couple weeds from one of the plants, and then there was also one that wasn't doing so well, so I cut that out, and now we have an empty pot that is ready for a new plant to be in there. So far, so good at the Gibraltar Heritage Trust Mediterranean Patio Garden. Everything is really doing well after all the rain that we've had. I'm sure once the sun comes back out, this garden is going to just flourish and look, it already does look amazing, but probably look even better than it does now. The thing you haven't seen yet is the other little garden, which is right across from the main garden here. It's over here, and it's just this little garden here. It's full of all these like beautiful, wonderful plants just in this little space. You have to think in the summertime when the Mediterranean sun shines right down in here, it creates a beautiful, vibrant little garden here. Thanks for joining the Spain Gibraltar channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and of course, follow along on this journey as this spring and summer, I volunteer to take care of this beautiful little Mediterranean garden.